Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Labs. So today I am going to talk to you about the Salesforce CRM benefits. There are so many people who know what a CRM is and therefore the promises that it holds. They sometimes attend to the fence for a protracted time before taking that last leap towards adopting a CRM to deal with this very issue. The subsequent post has been made. Here we are going to tell you about what business problems does a Salesforce CRM solve. So we talk about first day-to-day tasks. The first thing is unorganized database. Unorganized businesses don't make a profit. The first and the foremost way a CRM will help your businesses is by keeping all of your data organized on one platform, avoiding the silos. Get a 360-degree view of the way to leverage your CRM for sales, marketing and support. The second thing is address book update. Gone are the times of manual update. A CRM will automatically store and retrieve all of your contacts whenever you would like to have them. The third thing is about the event scheduling. Who has the time to try to do it manually? Obviously no one. So got a happening pending for a long. Simply schedule it from within your CRM. Let your clients and employees realize it by triggering automatic follow-ups. Another is client communication. Could it be more important? One thing, cultivating relationships with clients, that is absolutely vital during this age of heavy competition. So client communication is effective for this. In fact, retaining an existing client is 6 to 7 times more cost effective than securing a replacement one. With an efficient CRM, you will be able to call, message, email a client without having to modify between windows. For example, Salesforce has been making waves with its highly robust solutions for customer services, as companies can leverage the Salesforce customer portal features to up their customer service. Fifth point is to do task list. Have a full memory, let us CRM serve you. No more missing important tasks. The inbox of your email is not an efficient place for you to stay track of your tasks. A CRM will show you an inventory further as a close view of all the tasks that you just needed to undertake and even carry on reminding you to satisfy your deadlines. Sixth point is about the activity documentation. Documentation is sometimes boring, let's face it. No one wants to undertake manual documentations anymore. It is lethargic, monotonous and highly counterproductive. Your workforce may be spending the identical time selling of your servicing or the clients. CRM will set your priorities straight. The another is data management thing. Back that data up. A CRM will back your data constantly and most frequently on the cloud in order that you will access it anytime. All of your data could have vanished and therewith to some extent your business too. So we have talked about the day-to-day tasks. Now come to the point of the marketing and the sales. So talk about the marketing. A remedy for your digital marketing models. Using a CRM, you will personalize customer experience by providing a uniform messages across all the marketing touch points. How is that done? By employing a CRM with marketing automations, you will create one view of every customer with information from all customer touchpoints. You can leverage CRM integration with different marketing automation software to stay track of critical customer metrics and run personalized marketing campaigns. One in all the most effective options is utilizing the CRM and Marketo integrations to remain relevant to your customers, to your competitors. The next point is about the content sharing. Know it all from your CRM. Content marketing is the only variety of marketing that is left. When employing a third-party platform to publish your content, you will have to keep a track of what content helped close the deal and at what time. Later, you will be able to also use that information to substantially refine your content marketing. Moreover, CRM integration along with your website can help turn the software solution into a whole content management system like the how Magneto extensions work. Now the thing is about the reporting. good at your job, then you have to reveal it. Using a CRM, you will be able to make sure that you simply get real-time reports from your data. Now you have quick access to answers to questions like, what did your sales representatives do last week? What are the highest sales opportunities for the month? Are we visiting to hit our sales target this quarter? Yes, you will show it beat the integrated analytics and custom built reports within the CRM. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you are looking for a Salesforce consulting services, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.